Metal roofs expanding and contracting, causing noise and stress on fasteners, is a common headache that can mess with your peace and the roof's lifespan. So, metal roofs do this natural thing where they expand when it's hot and contract when it's cold, right? That movement can make a lot of noise and put stress on the fasteners holding everything down. One smart move is to use flexible fasteners and clips because they kinda give with the roof instead of holding it too tight. Make sure you pick fasteners made specifically for metal roofs, since regular ones might rust or just not work well. When installing, leave a little wiggle room for expansion so the panels aren't fighting against each other. Also, check your roof every few years to tighten or replace any loose fasteners before they cause bigger problems. If you hear creaking or banging, don't ignore it. Addressing it early saves you from costly repairs later. And hey, always follow the manufacturer's installation guidelines to avoid stress points that lead to damage. One of the biggest mistakes people make is using rigid fasteners that don't allow for metal movement, which leads to fasteners pulling out or breaking. Switching to flexible clips fixes this by letting the roof breathe. Another common issue is over-tightening screws, which restricts expansion and causes panels to warp or crack. Just snug them enough without forcing. Lastly, ignoring regular maintenance means small problems turn into leaks or structural damage. Keeping an eye on your roof and replacing worn fasteners helps prevent noise and costly fixes. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking you up with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff about metal roofs and more. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a solid way to find new jobs without all the hassle of searching around.